Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before starting video, please like. Guys, in this video we will discuss about how can we earn money online from different sources. Which one is very useful for us? Earning from money through internet. One is earn money from the bank. All the money is, while there is a lot of money there, becoming a bank robber probably is not the wisest ways to get it, but collecting interest would not do much for 7%, and even the best banks offer only about 1%. So how do you make money using a bank? Fortunately, you have some more interest in bank stocks. One way to make money from a bank is to own one, and at least part of one. It is as easy as buying bank stocks. Consider Wells Fargo. You could have bought the stock for less than $25 per share, but at the moment the price is over $55 per share. Not only have collected dividends along the way, the stock currently pays about 2.6%. Got a job at a bank? The median annual wage for a bank teller, the median wage for the top 10% of the worker in this position is closer to $36,000. There is not opportunities for advancements. Starting as teller, you can work your way up to the more highly paid positions, including head teller, supervisor, and loan officer, according to my bank tracker. Collect signing up bonuses. Last year, I received 125 bonus for opening a checking account at a local bank. I have since closed it. Since there, I have already made $400 in the bank account bonuses, and I am aiming for another 400 before the year ends. Recently, Chase offered $25 for new checking quickly, so that may not be available by the time you read this. To find current details like this, search for bank near you using Google Maps. Try banks name, search each bank's name plus sign up bonus to see what you find. Go coin roll hunting. The concept is simple enough. Buy rolls of dimes, quarters, and half dollars from the bank and search for coins from before they are worth much more than face value. We used to do this as kids and make regular finds of silver coins. Today, coin roller can sometimes find coins old enough to have extra value to collectors, but it's coins, so you might not make much for your time. Try penny hoarding. Pennies minted prior to 1983 were mostly copper, close to $3 per pound. They make these older pennies worth about 2 cents each. Penny holders stash them away by the tens of thousands, waiting for the day when they can legally melt them. You can buy pennies from your bank in $25 boxes, 2,500 coins. My recent test, $25 per $100 face value. To make this worth your time, probably have to invest invest in penny storing machine that separates out the older copper cents. Borrow for a business. One of the most traditional ways to make money from a bank is to borrow to start a profitable business. You might want to look for a house. You found a great fixer upper you can flip for a profit, but you don't have the money to buy the house. You can do go to the bank. It has been difficult to get a loan to flip a home, but recently FHA weighed its value against house flipping for its foreclosure sales. These projects another option for raising the money needed to invest sufficiently equity. By a bank foreclosure, banks are not only where all the money is, but also where all the homes are. Well, at least the deeds. Many banks have a pile of foreclosures they need to sell. You could fix or to buy one of these banks foreclosures. Get a credit card. How do you make money by getting credit card from your bank? Well, there are some signing up bonuses. Then there are points you get for using the cards, which can be converted into cash. My post on reasons to use credit cards instead of cash looks at how to save money with them to collect teaser rate. Even get a higher teaser rate for opening a new bank account. For example, our bank pays 1.4% on a money market account and checking account. That's 8 times the national average. After 6 months, your account will revert to the regular rate. I did and move your money to another bank when the time comes. Every way to make money.com. He has been a representative man, walking stick, carver, search engine, elevator, house flipper, tram driver, process server. Guys, these are the different ways then through which you can money. If you have any query, contact me.